Bayes classification method, Bayes classification or Bayesian classifiers or statistical classifiers. They can predict class member probabilities, such as the probability that a given tuple belongs to a particular class. Right? Bayesian classification is based on Bayesian theorem. Bayesian classifier is also known as Navi-Bayesian classifier. We also call this as a Navi-Bayesian classifier. In Bayesian terms, X is considered as evidence. So see here, X, Bayesian theorem, X be a data sample evidence. We are going to consider this as an evidence. As usual, it is described as measurements made on a set of n attributes. So let H be a hypothesis that X belongs to the class C. For classification problem, we want determine P of H by X, where posterior probability, we call this as a posterior probability, the probability that the hypothesis holds given the observed data sample X, right? PH of X is the posterior probability and P of H is a prior probability. The initial probability, example, X will buy a computer regardless of age, income. P of X is a probability that sample data is observed. P of X, H, likelihood, the probability of observing the sample X given that the hypothesis holds. Example, given that X will buy computer, the probability that X is 31 to 40 medium income. So H is, we already know about, like H is a hypothesis that our customer will buy a computer with the age limit like 31 to 40 or not. Okay. Next, let us classify. Classification is to derive the maximum posteriors. Let T be the training set of tuples and their associated class labels. And each tuple is represented by an n attribute vector, like an attribute contains all these vectors. Suppose there are m classes. Classification is to derive the maximum posterior, that is the maximal P of Ci by X. So this can be derived from Bayes theorem. We can see here. This is the formula. P of Ci by X. In previously we have considered complete data set, but here we are considering only X value. So X is an attribute vector. Since P of X is constant for all the classes, only P Ci by X is equal to Px by Ci into Pci.